It is with great honor and privilege that I stand before you this afternoon for your 22nd commencement exercise and your 9th moving up ceremony here at Young Achievers, Caloocan.
Welcome to the 22nd commencement exercises and 9th Junior High School Moving Up Ceremony of the Young Achievers School of Caloocan Incorporated.
As you step into the next chapter of your lives, remember the lessons you have learned, the friendships you have forged, and the dreams you hold dear.
It is a time of reflection, celebration, and anticipation as we bid farewell to our graduating students.
You can be amazing.
The future of our beloved Philippines rests in the hands of the youth. That's you. And it is through your dedication, passion, and commitment that we will pave the way for a brighter tomorrow.
Para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas, resonates deeply with the spirit of resilience, determination, and hope that defines our nation's youth today.
If you say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. What you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. Just wanna see you. I just wanna see you. Just wanna see you. I wanna see you be brave. Just wanna see you. I just wanna see you. Just wanna see you. I wanna see
Tandaan po
you
natin
be
ito,
brave.
good is the enemy of the best.
Everybody's been there, everybody's been stared down by the enemy, falling for the fear.
Sa mga magulang, this is your day to reap the fruit of your hard work. Also for taking care of our young men and women.
Your sacrifices, guidance, and belief in the power of education have been instrumental in helping our graduates. Today is a celebration of your endless dedication and commitment to your children's future.
Say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you.
Such wonderful faces graduating and completing their academic years.
Today is your day to reap the fruits of your hard work. Because God has given you the talents to be better and to excel the best in your life.
Anything but empty. Why don't you tell them the truth? Say what you wanna say.
Together, let us build a stronger future for a new Philippines. One that is built on the dreams and aspirations of the Filipino youth. Mabuhay kayo, mga kabataang Pilipino. Congratulations and best wishes to everyone.